Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Minifigures are also known as plastic cracks. That's why they come in plastic. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package in plastic. And before I open this, I'd like to thank Marcus for this one and Sir Chris. Okay, so Sir Chris actually gave it to Marcus, and Marcus now have it shipped to my place. Okay, and it's been so long since we were able to schedule the shipping. Okay, I was hoping to get it personally from Marcus in our weekly games, but he's been very busy. Okay, so part of his job, and that's totally understandable. So I decided finally to just ship it. Okay, so we have one from me, for me. Okay, and another separate package. This one is from Marcus. This one from Sir Chris. Okay, so I'll open up for Sir Chris because it's something that I've been looking forward to for the longest time. And Sir Chris is one of the local players, not of Heroclix, but of Mage Knight. Okay, so we have here some of the deals I have with him in Mage Knight. Okay, so interesting. I also try to collect Mage Knight only the Atlanteans. Okay, I used to have one before. I used to have a lot before, but uh, I'm I'm trying to collect the ones that I don't have, those that are released on a latter date. Okay, so we have here the Imperial Disruptor, and not just one. We have two. Are all of these Imperial Disruptors? Three. Okay, so oop, 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 oop. Four, five, six, seven, eight. So eight Imperial Disruptors. Okay, so let's take a look at the dial quickly. I'm no longer familiar with how the dial works and the powers, but we can see here a bow with number one, 8 range, 3 targets. Seems to be strong with 3. Okay, but of course the values are 6, 8, 17, 2. That's how Mage Knight figures are usually. Okay, sculpt wise, it's actually pretty good with a Gatling gun. Okay, so interesting. I like that actually. Okay, some more things we have here. Kranos. Okay, but let's take a look at the box 2004 limited edition collection figure. So more than 20 years. Okay, Mage Knight. It's my OG game, Mage Knight Sorcery. Okay, let's open from the bottom. The plastic is now is now yellow. We have here Anunub. Okay, it's not Kranos. It's Anunub. Okay, so it's just, I guess this is just a proxy box then. We have Anunub, a limited edition, I would assume. Okay, let's open them up. Looking at the box quickly. Dark Riders. Timara OS Korgas. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, interesting. I'm not gonna be keeping the boxes. I don't have space. This one is Magus Relafon. Okay. He's doing a Kamehameha pose. Okay. Anything with Magus I like because Magus is my favorite character. 2005 limited edition Omens. Okay. So I really hope they bring Mage Knight back. Okay. Or they make it compatible again with Heroclix because WizKids have been bringing some other um, licenses like Warner Brothers, but they're sleeping on their Mage Knight, their own Mage Knight license, I guess. Maximilian, okay, dual wielding Atlantean, okay, dual sword. Interesting. Let me take them out. Okay. Okay, so this is the new symbol for Atlanteans. It's now pointed. Before there, it's a round gear. And finally, oops, same box. Okay. This is Iron Wolf. He's made of iron and he's a wolf. Iron Wolf. Okay, he's seated? He's seated on this iron stool. Okay, with a wolf-like cleaver. I'm making up the lore, guys. So apologies for that, but I am definitely happy with my hauls of Mage Knight. So again, Sir Chris, thank you very much. 2 thumbs up. You can visit his Facebook site. I think it's MK, what you call it, MK stuff. Okay, and you can also visit the M Mage Knight Grandmasters. Okay, so there's still a live uh, Mage Knight group in Facebook. So I'm also part of the group. Okay, and this one is from Marcus from Smash and Destroy. Okay, so we can see tapes here, and I'm excited for this one. I got this from Marcus Part Trade, I guess, and it is the. This will complete my wants for Smash and Destroy. It's the Chase Magneto. Okay, so Marcus has been very lucky in the Oxit brick break. Okay, so I think his luck is streaky. Okay, so I hope he gets also lucky in the upcoming Lantern Legacy set. Okay, so I'm lucky that I think he pulled 2 Magnetos in that brick break, so that's why he has an extra. And of course, as an X-Men fan, I have to get this Magneto with a tuxedo. Let's take a look at him quickly. Magneto is Acolytes, Brotherhood of Mutants, Hellfire Club, New Mutants, X-Men Past, Political Ruler keywords, great keywords, Brotherhood of Mutant Ability. EM Shielding is the trait, Energy Shield Deflection, Mastermind. When Magneto hits, after resolutions give each hit character that's equipped or holding a terrain marker an action token. Okay. 100 or 60 points, improved targeting, destroys blocking. 6 range, 2 targets is really good. Max Eisenhard is a chase from the set number 44, with a special attack power, grand displays of mutant power, telekinesis. Telekinesis is free, but only to choose a character with a Brotherhood of Mutants keyword or a terrain marker. And that also means he can TK himself for free because he has the Brotherhood of Mutants. And magnetic personality, okay, I guess, leadership. When Magneto uses it and succeeds, this turn he can use mind control as free. Okay, so he has those special powers on the 100-point line starting, and then on the 60-point line, he has a special. He begins with a special attack power, but towards the tail end gains that leadership special power. Okay, probably use him at 60 points. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clicks of life with invulnerable, running shot, and range combat expert. Really good. 12-4 damage. And the sculpt is amazing always for Magneto. Okay. So let's compare. We have your Magneto, and you can see that the scale is really big. That's not just a power creep, it's a scale creep as well for miniatures. Okay? So that's it. Those are our plastic cracks for the day. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the comments. And for now, bye bye!